dedicate this to the entire universe. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw MetalTyrannomon. As we all know, MetalTyrannomon is the evolved form of Tyrannomon, and possibly the slight evolution to Dark Tyrannomon, I think. I should probably look that up. As we all know, MetalTyrannomon was the first catch that Gumdramon's partner has caught, and also the one who he has fused. Plus, he makes a good battle partner. And, I feel like I have him in... I feel like I need to evolve him in Digimon Cyber Sleuth Hacker's Memory. Plus, this guy, well, he was last seen in Digimon Fusion, where the Fusion fighters thought that Darulamon was a traitor. That was a real pain to look at. But, don't worry. MetalTyrannomon's a good guy now. He was the same, unlike the other... He was a good guy, right after... Before he was trying to forcibly tamed by the other tamers. But, Mikey's team took good care of him. He's a good guy now. But, anyways, let's get started on drawing this guy. So, when you start drawing him, be sure to draw his head. There we go.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 million years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs.
There's his nose.
Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall, we built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang. Since the dawn of man is really not that long, as every galaxy was formed in less time than it takes to sing this song. A fraction of a second, and the elements
Let me just...
the bipeds stood up straight, the dinosaurs all met their fate. They tried to leave, but they were late and they all died. They threw their ashes on the oceans and
Alexa, what is matter?
According to Wikipedia, matter is the substance of which all material is made. That means objects which have mass. More specifically, they must have rest mass, which is a form of energy that matter has even when it is not moving, is extremely cold, etc. Matter is a word that is sometimes used in varying ways in everyday life, whereas mass is a well-defined concept and quantity, at least in physics. They are not the same thing, though they are related.
Alexa, what is metal?
According to Wikipedia, a metal is a material that, when freshly prepared, polished, or fractured, shows a lustrous appearance, and conducts electricity and heat relatively well. Metals are typically malleable or ductile. A metal may be a chemical element such as iron, an alloy such as stainless steel, or a molecular compound such as polymeric sulfur nitride.
There's his head here.
State that nearly 14 million years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall, the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang. Since the dawn of man is really not that long, as every galaxy was formed in less time than it takes to sing this song. A fraction of a second and the elements were made. The bipeds stood up straight, the dinosaurs all met their fate. They tried to leave, but they were late and they all died. They closed their ashes on the oceans and Pangea Sea. A wooden be set in motion by the same Big Bang. It all started with a Big Bang. It's expanding ever outward, but one day it will pause and start to go the other way. Collapsing ever inward, we won't be here, it won't be heard. Our best and brightest figure, the guild they got even bigger than.
There we go. Alexa, play Till I Find You.
Here's Till I Find You by Austin Mahone on Amazon Music.
twilight zone. Tell me why I'm tripping. Still think about the way you move. Tell me, am I crazy?
There we go.
Ever find you? Every minute I'm without you, I lose.
There's his gears here. This is part of his belt.
Every second burns like fire. I'm blue. What I go through till I find you. Gone. No trace, I'm going Sherlock Holmes. Cinderella when the clocks go strike. It gets so
There we go.
on my own. Girl, I'm running out of time. Tell me why I'm tripping. Still think about the way you move. Tell me, am I crazy? Ever find you? Every minute I'm without you, I lose. 'Cause an angel touched my heart and took my cool. Every second burns like fire.
Okay.
I'm blue. What I go through till I find you. Wonder what you're doing, girl. Baby, I'm about to lose it.
There we go.
I've been running around the world. I won't stop till I find you. Wonder what you're doing, girl. Baby, I'm about to lose it.
There we go.
I've been running around the world. I won't stop till I find you. Tell me why I'm tripping. Tell me why.
Okay, there's his hand.
Tell me, am I crazy? Oh,
Next up are his claws.
I'm without you, I lose. 'Cause an angel touched my heart and took my cool. Every second burns like fire. What I go through till I find you. Every minute I'm without you, I lose. 'Cause an angel touched my heart and took my cool. Every second burns like fire. What I go through till I find you.
You know, when Gumdramon's partner summoned out MetalTyrannomon, MetalTyrannomon was a bit confused and was curious to his surroundings. And when he fought his first Digimon, he was swapped out for Gumdramon, and then the two of them automatically fused in the end. I don't know when we're gonna see MetalTyrannomon in the show again, but if you ask me, this guy is a really adorable but really awesome Digimon to have as a pet. Plus, if I ever have a series, I'm gonna make sure Pokemon and Digimon coexist as friends. That way they can battle and have fun together and play. After all, that's what now keeps nature in perfect balance. I know, right? Let's see. Okay, there's his arm here. Alexa, who is Gogeta?
According to Wikipedia, Gojira are a French heavy metal band from Bayonne. Originally formed as Godzilla in 1996, they changed their name to Gojira in 2001. The band's lineup, consisting of brothers Joe Duplantier and Mario Duplantier, guitarist Christian Andreu, and bassist Jean-Michel Labadie, has been the same since the band's name change.
Okay, there's his arm. There we go. There we go, there's his claw. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Next up is his tail. Alexa, next song.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14
There's his wiring.
Expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang. Since the dawn of man is really not that long, as every galaxy was formed in less time than it takes to sing this song. A fraction of a second and the elements were made. The bipeds stood up straight, the dinosaurs all met their fate. They tried to leave but they were late and they all died. They closed their asses on the oceans and Pangea see a wooden.
There's his tail.
Set in motion by the same Big Bang. It all started.
There we go.
Big Bang. It's expanding ever outward, but one day.
And that's how you draw a MetalTyrannomon. Pretty interesting, don't you think, guys? I'm sure it's a little short, but I finally pulled through. I finally draw this awesome buddy, this awesome guy. Can't wait to see him in another episode of Digimon. I hope he comes back in the new Digimon Adventure reboot. Anyways, that's how you draw a MetalTyrannomon. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Bye!